So it is Monday, April 19th. Another quiet morning. We're gonna head out to the dining room for breakfast, our gourmet breakfast. Are we it?
I have no idea.
We may be it. Yay! She's gonna...
See, people, if you drink too much Beverly, this is what it does to you. Yeah! Good man. Bags packed to around the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay? Soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends, sure, we'll tag along, 'cause today...
Oh, I get awesome pictures because we're the only ones here.
You want to switch today?
No.
Make it different? The different side of the table here?
Oh, that's fine, yeah.
Okay.
My parents have a smaller version of this right here. We can sit the opposite side. Guys, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot to show a picture, and it was amazing looking.
Oh, I'm devastated that you can only see 3/4 of it.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe, like, I've already like deconstructed mine and started eating, and oh, the picture would have been awesome. But yeah, it's really good. So I can show this. I'm getting ready to eat the tomato though, but this was on top and it was so cute. I don't know how I'm gonna make it up these steps after all the food I just ate.
I don't know how I'm going to make it down the steps with all the luggage we've got.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, unfortunately it is time to pack up. Sad. So this mattress, you know, very comfortable. I am one of those that really loves hard, firm mattresses. And I actually took a nap yesterday right here because these mattresses is very firm.
Well, there's no box spring. It's like on a wood.
Yeah, it's on a wood. But I mean, if the mattress was too soft, I'd still sink a little bit. So this was perfect for nap time. Had to come out here and show you guys this line. Evidently, the weekdays, this coffee shop is like busting. I think it's a coffee sandwich shop. Well, look at that line out there. It was not like that yesterday. So finally we have, it's not raining, so we are actually going to leave our vehicle here. We have permission until 2 o'clock, and then that way we can still go walk around and enjoy historic St. Augustine. So bummed because the cemetery is not open to the public except for the third Saturday of the month, which was the day we checked in, but we didn't realize it, and it's only open in like certain hours. It's not like even long hours. So we will definitely be back at some point for another stay on a third Saturday of the month. And this front grave here, the little boy died in 1877. 11 to 3 are the exact hours. During the first Spanish period prior to 1763, this site was occupied by the Christian Indian village with its chapel, burying ground service by missionaries. The village was abandoned when Great Britain acquired Florida. And the last burial was 1892.
It's so much fun to watch the master at work here, placing her little squishable cemetery keeper. Steampunk something or another, and wondering if he's going to fall through the gate, never to be seen again until the third Saturday of May.
shucks, found another cemetery I can't go into.
So I guess we found out what this cemetery is finally. Early 1800s, yellow fever time, kind of a public burial place, many unmarked, and maintained by the Presbyterian Church since the 1830s, and kind of like the one we just saw, they discontinued interments in the 1880s. Now this is a newer stone, which must be a replacement. I thought it said 1976, which made no sense with the sign we just saw, but it's a 1876, so yeah, it must be just a replacement stone.
So what I'm about to show you was a gift from St. Augustine's sister city in Spain. It was presented in 2005. So this is the 0 milestone. I actually had it in my notes to come here and totally forgot about it, and then we stumble upon it. This is awesome. But this is what I really want to know about. So obviously there was some type of placard here at some time, because there were the holes in the indention. Like, wow. How this tree grew this way and then was cut down. What on... Yeah, what is this? I want to know. And not only that, but look. Maybe there was some type of... Wow, that was a lizard. I didn't realize. Some type of fence, maybe? Maybe it had the metal chains. I don't know. But I'm like, this thing is huge. And I'm really curious. Alright, so yay, found the city gates. Notice how the two different tops are a little different there. This is like very moving, because we're getting ready to walk through the gates, and do you know how many like people have walked through these gates? They're very symbolic. Check out the brick at the top there, the curved part. The gate opened in 1793, provided the only access through the defense line on the north side of Spanish St. Augustine.
Said 1793.
Tom says I said 1793, so if I did, it's 1739. Alright, so there is the other side of it, and off we go. Okay, what is in here? Because these busts, sure, what is that little... Okay, we can go around. We're going around. Thank goodness. The oldest St. Augustine, Florida schoolhouse. Okay, we're in the little gift shop of the old schoolhouse thing, and I actually found a Ray Dunn item. You guys know how I feel about Ray Dunn up there. So lots of little gifts. It costs $5 to get back there. I don't know what's back here, but the gates are open, and it's really making me want to walk through it just because the gates are open. I have no idea what's back here. Looks like just a little garden. And then that looks like just a parking lot. Yeah, that's it. I can't even say it's interesting. It's just here. It's nice that, oh, now that is interesting. Okay, maybe this will tell me something. It is the Ribera Garden, created in 1966 by St. Augustine Restoration. They did a good job. Alright, when you find public bathrooms around here, you go for it. Okay, there's another door open. This was built prior to 1761. It's on the National Register of Historic Places. Ooh, it was a store. Oh, that's so cool. It's for lease. I guess somebody's in there. That's cool. Can you imagine how much that cost? Okay, this is cool. This is the Flagler College store. We are so going in here. Oh, yes, we are. Hi. I love collegiate wear, so I might have to get some collegiate wear. Ooh, for the baby. I think Skylin would be insulted. Check out the radiators. Cement floor. This building is pretty cool. So this is a must for Tom. Hyppo Gourmet Popsicles. He loves popsicles. Interesting story. Our friends, this, like the recipes, the original recipes from these, for these popsicles, were established in my friend's kitchen. This is absolutely adorable. 2010, Eat Fruit. So this company actually started as a high school business project. Yes, it did. And it came to fruition. So I love pennants. I might have to get a pennant. Oh my. Okay, this just even gets better. I'm in love with these. Look at that. Captain Samson avocado coconut. These are brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Jack and Jill, the hillbillies of Nantucket. Oh, Uncle Edgar Elvis. Hannah Banana. Oh, this is so cool. This has a Norway feel to it. Yes, Tom said, we know where these flavors were created. And I said, yep, I told them that. We'll be at the south end of St. George. I just told Tom to do his biggest, dorkiest smile that he could do. I can do better than that, so now it's my turn.
Well, behind these sunglasses is the evilest evil eye I can.
Like I said yesterday, almost every shop is hiring. Like, there's no reason people should not have a job. It is time for lunch. There. Well, yesterday there was a street. Today there does not seem to be a street. Huh. Yeah, I'm surprised they evidently didn't get that car out of here in time. I am so thrilled to be going in here. Aren't you excited, hon?
I'm looking at the building and saying to myself, when you put a masonry structure that big up without any expansion joints, it makes its own.
Yes, it does. I see lots of little cracks.
And they're all pretty much at the location where they should have put them.
Okay. The old historic sign. Looks like the vintage linen shop is closed. Looks like whatever the Menendez room there is closed. City Hall, St. Augustine, Florida. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I didn't even realize it was opened inside. Wow, I didn't realize there was a courtyard, that it was opened inside.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to we're on the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feeling like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay. Soon we're on our way.